I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. And I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. Tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say,
Hello everyone. Oo, ako pala po si co-owner Jay. Actually, yung tawag nila sa akin is Daddy Jay. Okay? My partner is Mommy Rose, Rose Love. Partner in life, partner in VR as well. No, she is the owner of the VR, and I would like to congratulate every single member in our family. Happy 8 months mansanari. Congratulations, guys. One month mansanari din kami ng partner ko, si Miss Rose. Oo, mahal, I love you. Uh, Another thing, birthday ko ang sinasabi nila, hindi ko talaga sinaselebrate yun dahil I don't want to get old, but kailangan i-accept natin yan. No? So, ganito, I would like to personally thank all of you, my audience, the audience that we have, the guests that we have who enters our VR every single day. They would give time to sit down, kahit magsatambay lang sila, kahit magkantahan lang sila. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Lalo sa mga bagong naampunan namin, sana ma-enjoy mo yung family namin, no? Kahit medyo masaltik yung iba, katulad, I'm not going to say names, pero si Maoy, yan. Oo. Well, anyway, Maoy, I love you. Alam mo naman, mahal ka ng daddy mo. Oo. Tapos, I'm not sure if I can say every single name. If I do forget those names, I would like to hina sorry. Kasi sobrang daming ninyo, no? But whatever I can, I will shout out sa inyo, no? Shout out kay Apo Rose, Apo Kauros, no? Apo Sky, Apo Bicolana, oo, Marimar, oo, CG, Danica, Moonlight, Jopay, oo, Kilua, oo, si Copido, George Key, lahat mga yun, no? Miss Beautiful, lahat kayo, you guys are all in my heart, no? I would like to give great thanks to every single one of you there, no? Me and your mommy will strive to make sure that we would last even longer. I hopefully and I pray that things go well for us as years goes by or as months goes by. Let's not surrender and let's not forget the most important thing in our family is honesty. Remain honesty, love, and keep the music within. No, as like I said, for those I haven't mentioned, si Michelle, Sel, oo, anak ko din yun, mga bagong anak ko yun. Oo, si Baby Love, si Sino siya, oo, kasama din sa bagong naampon namin. Oo, sa mga iba na hindi ko binanggit dito, pasensya na lang kasi alam mo naman short time lang yung message natin, pero kung sakali, I will try my best to memorize every single one of you, which is naman sometimes it's hard kasi there's always a new inaampon namin dahil po ang family namin wala kaming discrimination, no? Si Broad Coffee, sino pa? Si Casey, isa lang yung pangalan yung Blood Coffee Casey, known as also Aki, no? Sila din ang mga family namin dito. Sino pa na-mention ko na hindi ko na palabas dito? Jelay, hello Jelay, shout out sa iyo. Sino pa? Yung bagong pumasok namin, yung isang araw pa lang, si Mr. Magician, anak, oo, also known as DJ Basti. Welcome to the family. Dance on my own. Oo. Welcome to the family, baby Tawan. Oo. Thank you for trusting us as being your family. I hope you guys will enjoy the favor of you being in presence in our home. No, everyone who would like to join us, the doors are always open. Sino pa hindi ko na mention, pasensya lang talaga. Galing pa ako sa meeting kasi, so parang ito, my mind is still not in closure, no? But I would love to thank you to every single anak ko dyan, no? Sa sobrang daming-dami ninyo. I'm so sorry if I didn't mention your names, but if I did, like I said, there's there's too many of you, no? There's too many, and I just would like to shout out every single daughters, every single lalaki na anak ko. Thank you so much for everything, guys. Ha? Thank you so much for everything. May mensahe lang ako sa mga anak ko ng babae dito sa loob ng VR, no? Lagi na ako na nasasaktan ako dahil lagi sila nasaktan sa mga jowa-jowa nila. Isa lang ang payo ko sa kanila na never give up just for a guy. This is social media. We need to accept the fact that it's there. The problem is there. But that doesn't mean we have to give up on our lives. No? Let's continue doing what we've been doing for the past 8 months. Enjoying each other, tambayan, pintuhan, usapan, o ano man. Music is life. No? Music is life. Let's bring a new color to this. No? Sa mga audience ngayon na pumunta dito, mga contestants, good luck sa inyo. I would like to personally thank you for every person that came into this VR. Help us celebrate this event namin, and hopefully I will be shooting or launching up another events after these. This is not going to be the last event that we're going to have. We're going to have more events upon this days that comes by, no? Support mo kami lagi, oo. Basta let's enjoy with each other, give each other time, and all for the hardship, let's use that as stepping stone, make us even a better person in life, and move forward. No, move forward. We are here as your family. Anytime you need someone to lean on or talk to, nandito lang kami. Ako ang Daddy J ninyo. Mami Rose is there for you guys. PM mo ako sa inbox kung ano man. Kausapin mo ako, nandyan ako. Alam niyo yan. Kahit gaano ka-busy ako, I always have time to reply. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy this event. Mga anak ko, I love you. May mensahe din ako sasabihin. Since me and my partner just reached 1 month, I would like to reward you as a